What is good, y'all boys? Been a minute. So today we got this one for the time being. I gotta go to a few dealerships today and get to look at some of the inventory, and then we're probably gonna take some photos at the end of the day. We're gonna have fun. It's basically Friday, day after Christmas, so we're gonna turn up today. You feel me? As you can see, Brooklyn Gray. This one is rear-wheel drive. I'm not gonna show the plate because it's not my V, but you know. So we're going to the interior. Harman Kardon, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? Harman Kardon. And yeah. These are the regular leather seats. This is not the what you call it. I'm gonna do some POV. This does not have an exhaust, and we do got the ND filters for today, so we can affect that light. So this is the first ND filter. As you can see, motion blur. So I don't know if the camera detected it, but we about to take it off now. Make sure y'all boys obey all speed limits, man. Do not go over the speed limit and put people in danger trying to impress social media. We are professional drivers. Uh-oh, Popo coming. Right there, bro. I'm about to put the camera down right now because I don't know what type of time y'all, but we're gonna see. Hold on.
Niggas being hard as hell, but look at RJ. Stacking all season, girls trying to get a check. Niggas ain't nothing but good to make this bitch wet. Get up in that room, he gon' see you like he keeps sweating. Be on pay, he'll hold the door, I'm finna start a bed. That girl in the water, yeah, I really got that bitch wet. I'm only talking to that bitch and she offering up a check. Break a bitch bad, then we broke her neck.
See the Ferrari SUV. Inspiration for y'all boys. SF90 Stradale Portofino. I forgot what the name of this one is. Italian. It's Italian. 991 GT3 RS. That's an old 328 GTS. So just bumped into Gene, bro. And cool dude, man. He just like me, but in the future, bro. We got a teleport though. Inspirations. Don't give up in life, bro. This shit is so possible. You wanna know what it is, bro? It's that niggas give up too easy because you feel like shit is hard. You feel like it's impossible. It might be hard now, but watch this. Don't give up too easy, bro. I remember not too long ago, I was just taking the bus. Again, this is not my car. This is a rental for today. But I know for sure in the future, I could definitely get one of these, bro. It's so possible. And we coming for a 911 too, bro. Don't give up, y'all boys. It might be hard. It might take a long time, but regardless, it's possible, bro. What the fuck? Trying to sin again. Don't forget Valiant, that's my evil twin. Hollywood slime on your block, trying to hit his man. I've been walking through sad, blowing hella bands. You ain't never take no fucking risk while your ass flat. I'll do it, do designer, but I prefer to play. Gotta love downtown, bro. It looks so beautiful, dog. Everybody vibing. Today's Friday. I think Saturday will be a little bit better though. We got some traffic. Damn, bro. Come on. Ooh. really have an exhaust though, but I'm gonna try and give y'all a demo. I guess y'all can kind of hear it a little bit, but y'all let me know, man. We probably gonna rerun it because I gotta go back this way, but we gotta go to that dealership first.
Keep on drinking Minimat.
All the backwood baby, man.
So fast.
Real niggas that know backwood baby, man. That real Milwaukee shit, man.
Pass the ball, I'm tryna score. You can't get away from me. I got like 10 different laws, and ain't no right bitch for me. I got like 10 different hoes, and if you came a little quicker, it would've been 2 at that store. I took his love for the guys to fall out by the hole. I miss my brother and I bought. He ain't going free little forward, and now the hoe is break over.
Come on. Free my hood, nigga. Fuck your hood, nigga. I'm still on the highway, it's all good, nigga. Tell us more than.
I like that.
If we need that shit, you nigga get money to it, see?
This shit is just possible, y'all boys. All y'all gotta do is lock in. Lock in. And then you can have some shit like that better than this. Cause this is what I want. It's niggas that want that orange car. You feel me? It's possible. All you gotta do is lock in. Do something. It's so possible. Just gotta find out something. Probably not gonna be able to do it from a 9 to 5. It is possible 9 to 5, but it really depends. You gotta make that real 6-figure mark. If you don't hit that mark, then it's probably gonna take you a while to get to where you can get a car like that. But other than that, bro, this shit is possible. I'ma just be honest with y'all, bro. Alright, it's 3:30. U-turn game. U-turn game. So we just arrived. If y'all know, y'all know. I'm not gonna film inside, but we're gonna see if they're open, and if not, I'm probably gonna have to hop back in the beat. So we just came from inside the dealership. I did get some footage for y'all. I'm about to get out of here, and I think we're gonna go to that one spot, take some pictures, and then gonna end off the video. Whoa. Oh no, I don't know where that came from, but shit, I gotta watch that. Y'all boys, man, it's possible. See the plane in the background taxi. All you gotta do is put in that work, man, and this shit is possible. Crazy. Life crazy, man. But we gonna get out of here. Let me just get some pics, and I'm gonna be out there. I gotta use the other camera. y'all boys, the battery on the camera's kind of dying, so I think I'm gonna end it off here. But y'all get the deal. Make sure y'all boys like the video, comment, subscribe. What car should we next drive on the channel? I'm out this